Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Not again. Yeah, I learned the game from William Wesley. You can never check me. Back to back for the that didn't get the message. Back to back like.
What's going on, YouTube? Back with another video. Here's your famous bootleg YouTuber. Just received a package in the mail. FedEx just delivered. Just received my MRT H Pipe. I opened it up here, make sure everything was good before the delivery guy took off. But yeah, I'm exchanging the stock H pipe to this 3-inch over here. Settle it down over here. Show you how it goes. Well, this goes this way. The front of the engine will be this side. That's how the H pipe go. These two things here, that's where the dump off comes out. It's part of the quad exhaust. So as you see, it's open. This comes with a little restrictor plate, which I'm not gonna install. So I want to hear everything. So yeah, the stock H pipe, I think it's 2 1/4, I believe. So yeah, this is a 3-inch. So that's how it's gonna go down. Trying to get this installed as soon as possible. This weekend is the American Muscle show, and I want to have. So yeah, YouTube, I put the pipes back inside the box here. Again, it's the MRT H pipe 3-inch. It's for well, there you go, the stickers right there. 2012, 2013 Boss 302 MRT Aftercat H pipe, and it's specifically for the Boss. I mean, you could put it on any other car, any other Fox, Coyote motor when you have the dump offs. So yeah, I'm gonna load this into the car and head to the shop. Yeah, YouTube, I got to the shop and I forgot to record. But the car's on the lift. H pipe being installed.
That's my wife.
H pipe on install. I know they have to warm up. So yeah, that's it. It's gonna get louder and louder. MRT H Pipes. Car sounds disgusting. That was only 4,000 RPM. I live in a quiet neighborhood, man. I don't want to disturb the peace. Yeah, guys, I just put the car back into the garage. I didn't want to rev it too loud. Like I said, this neighborhood, is quiet. I don't want to be the one making all the noise. But yeah, I'll do some more revs. I'm gonna get another location and do these revs. Like I said, I have the Corsa Extremes out back. Have the MRT quad exhaust H pipes that they 3-inch from the stock 2¼ inch. So the car do sound really nice, nasty, like I said. But I'll be back with some more videos on the comparison between the two exhausts, stock and the aftermarkets that I have on. So next time, guys, peace, thanks.